Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to add items to your wishlist on AliExpress. The wishlist feature is a great way to save items for later, track discounts, and organize your favorite products. Now let's get started. First of all, open your AliExpress app. Make sure that you have already logged in. Now browse the category or use the search bar to find the products you are interested in. Like I want to buy a free items gift. Once you have found an item you like, tap on product and it will open your product page. This is a product page and there you can see heart icon next to a product image or product. Tap or click on it. Then you will be prompted to create a new list or add item to the existing list for a better organization. Here I don't have any wish list, so it's asking to create my first wish list. Tap on it and here you can name the list, like I'm going to keep as it is a earring, keeping it jewelry. You can also set the list private if you don't want anyone to see your list. I'm going to keep it public. After naming the list and setting the security or privacy setting, tap on create. Now tap on view all. And here you can see your wish list. You can organize your wish list by creating multiple lists for different purposes. For example, creating a separate list for clothing, electronics, or gift. Remove the items by tapping on heart icon again or selecting the delete option. When you are ready to buy, just tap on add to cart over here. Now tap on add to cart. Now you have added it to the cart. Now you can proceed to the checkout process. And that's how you can use the wishlist feature on AliExpress. It's simple and convenient way to save and organize your favorite items. If this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll catch you in next one.